Hey, how's it going? Making a quick video on how to replace these cup holders. Yeah, apparently I don't know. These are original. I know that because took these little stickers that are in front of the bolts. Yeah, they were right there. So if you encounter this, like I said, this one was popped out, but the other ones are like missing all the way. Come on, focus. Yeah, pretty easy. You take the little cover, like I said, you take the little covers off, and then it exposes the little screws. They're T20s. Yeah, T20s. Pretty easy to take off. Like I said, I really don't use the cup holders, but just to make it look better, aesthetics and whatnot. Yeah, like I said, it comes off pretty easy. Both of them have two. Okay, never mind. Hold up. Maybe I can check it out with this. Yep, that'll do it. Gotta loosen it up. And that's how you take it off. I should have had a flat head, but it's okay. Boom. Kind of looks like an ammo clip for an AK or something. But yeah, this one, like I said, is broken. It was just poking out, not really functional. That's one. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is just to show you. So it's got the little stickers. Take them off. You want to reuse them, you can reuse them. Sometimes when you take them off, they don't want to stay on no more. So it doesn't really matter. It covers it once you close it. Yeah, like I said, T20 Torx bit. Yeah, real easy. They're not hard to take off. Oh snap! Damn phone doesn't want to focus. Focus. Yeah, if you don't know, this is the 06 BMW 530i. Yeah, this one came out real easily. Said all original stuff. What is in there? It doesn't come out no more. It's broken. You can see it. Yeah, all original stuff. Oh yeah. Bought these on eBay. They weren't that bad. I got them. I forgot how much I paid, but they weren't that expensive. Yeah, these are the numbers. That's for the left one, and this for the right one. So all you do is just open it. Come on. Yeah, you open it and then just insert it. Yep, just like that. And just replace the little nuts. Hopefully this bottom one is not too hard. Might be. Yeah, this one might be the only one that might give me some trouble. It's kind of in there. So just hand tighten them, and then you'll get them with the torque bit. Oh, that one's under good. So this one might be a little bit harder. Oh, there you go. So not hard to do. Held on by 2 T20 Torx bit and boom, that's it. Voila. I couldn't find the gray one, so like I said, I went with the black one. It really doesn't, you know, you got the black steering wheel, you know, it's got some black in there, so it kind of blends in. Not bad. Same thing with the other one. Damn it. Release it and you can see him right there. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh yeah. Like I said, those little black stickers, you can put them on, you know, just like so they can cover the little torque screws. You don't really need them. There you go. So you can try to put them back, but I don't know if they're gonna work. I guess so. Damn, focus. There you go. Okay. Gotta do it by hand real quick. This is a hard one for some reason. There you go. Might have been going down the wrong hole. That's it. Take your little sticker. If you want to put it back on, you can. If you don't, it's all good. And there you go. That's the finished product right there. Yeah, not bad. Like I said, it looks way better than these things. Like I said, this one was broken, and it took me a minute to push it back in there. But you can see the little release thing. I think it still comes out. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna try it. It's got a little thing where you press it on, well, the little button, then it releases it. But like I said, it's gone. And then this other one is just broken all the way. Like they took it and just boom, broke it right there. Like I said, all original stuff. When they made it, like I said, these are the numbers for the new ones. Bought them on eBay. One stuck. Like I said, made in Germany. It's all original BMW stuff. Oh, yeah, that's how it is. You know, got a couple things. This stuff is peeling off, so I'm probably gonna take it off and just paint it black. This one and this one. Maybe this will kit to cover that up without doing all that. But yeah, there it is. Dash looks complete. Got the cup holders. Oh yeah. Working cup holders. Like I said, I think they sell them in beige, black, and gray. Like I said, I couldn't find the gray one, so I went with the black ones. Like I said, they don't look that bad. It kind of matches, you know. But yeah. Let's see if this one will stick on there. That's some nasty stuff in there. But yeah, that's how it is. Yep, quick video how to replace your cup holders inside your BMW. That's all I got for you today. Hope it helps someone. Thank you. Bye.